Alright, you guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astro Auto Repair. Can you dig it?
Yeah, yeah.
I know that's right, baby. Alright, we have a 2009 Nissan Maxima. Customer complaint is they have a power steering leak. We'll show you all how to do that coming up on Astro Auto Repairs.
This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Alright, you guys, first thing you want to do is remove this cover. And right now I notice the tab is gone, so you just grab your cover, slide it, lay this thing to the side. Now I have my flashlight. I just want to see if I see any kind of leaks or whatever. Oh yeah, I see it right there. Alright, you guys, we're gonna get this thing jacked up and we'll be right back.
Alright guys, we got this car jacked up on the right side, and this is a little problem right here, because look at this ground, how it sips in. Now guys, we've always tell you on these videos, safety is number one. This repair will not do you any kind of good, anything. No kind of repair is going to do you any good if you don't take safety first. Now, what we got here is when you're on dirt, when you're on ground like this, you want to make sure your jack stand, which always use jack stands, you want to make sure it has a solid base. And you can see we use some thick wood up. Don't use no particle board or anything. You got to use some solid wood. And if you're using a hydraulic jack, leave that hydraulic jack there. It's added security because of the base of that jack. That forms its own plate, and it's like the jack won't tilt back and forth. All right, Billy Bob, as you saw in the corner of the video, Billy Bob just slid the poor man's creeper. That's what you call that. When you got cardboard, it's called the poor man's creeper. That stuff works great. All right, he just slid that up under there. And he's under there looking with a light, and
Now I'm gonna tell you this.
What?
You go blind up under this car.
What do you mean?
Man, that power steering fluid dripping left and right. I'm getting in my eye and nobody kill me. Alright. So I tell you all what we're gonna do. Just so I don't have to worry about this power steering in my eye, I'm gonna get a rag or some carburetor cleaner. I'm gonna clean this up, remove this wheel so we can
oh, let me see the light.
I want to remove that wheel because it looks like it's coming from right over this way.
Yeah, because I can see it a lot better too if we get this wheel off.
Yep. So we're gonna get the wheel off, get some rags, carburetor cleaner.
Well, we might be able to see it without cleaning it up first. Let's see if we can do.
All right.
You damn right, all right.
We're gonna have to put a little power steering or something in there, and U-turn and.
All right, let's get this tie off and all, guys, and we'll be right back. Guys, you got to help me out here. Please tell this guy. Look, he's got two jobs. Let me show you over here. I'm gonna show you over here. Once he gets out the passenger side of this truck, first thing he's supposed to do, open up the side door. Pull the sliding door back. Get the camera out. Set the camera up. Open the back door. Take the stairs down. Could somebody please tell him that's his job, instead of constantly jumping up in the truck, climbing up over the stairs. That's his job. Now get your butt back out here and take the steps down like you're supposed to. Every job. How simple can that be? Oh my goodness.
You guys, he's trying to pimp me.
Okay.
It ain't no pimp my ride. He pimping me. That man told me, he said, Billy Bob, grab the camera, and we're gonna do what we do. I said, hold on, let me get it right. He said, no. Just get over here, let's get this side up.
And he still don't have. What you figure he could talk and take the steers out at the same time.
I can't do
but
two
no,
things at
look
once.
at what you mean you can't. Oh man, come on.
If
Come
my mind
on.
tell me to go one way, my legs tell me to go another way. So this is why I kind of wobble off every now and then.
Oh man, this guy, man, look at now he's got to come back down. Who wants to keep climbing up and down the truck like that?
I mean, I'm talking. I just step right all across. Just gonna go.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a socket there so you can roll right off of it.
Or a spider.
Yeah.
Or a spider.
I should have videotaped that. All right, guys, we're gonna start the compress up, get some air, get some tools, and we'll be right back.
All right, you guys. I took the wheel off. So what I want to do now is take this inner fender well cover down so I can get a better look at everything that's in here. So you get your flat screwdriver, pry it right there, and that thing should pop right up. Man, is this thing, I tell you what now, keep playing me.
Grab the other side while you doing it, man, with your other finger.
Hold on.
God, this one.
Man, I'm in the angle. I'm trying to get over
Don't
it.
make me get in there.
You got me over here all cramped up.
There you go.
Alright, we're gonna get these out and we'll be right back. Alright, I'm on my last one. Pull that thing right out of there. Take my cover down. Man, this thing is aggravating me. Anything you wanna see. Now that I have that down, I'm gonna come over here, add this thing to my party line, and we'll be right back. All right, you guys, I'm looking around, seeing if I can actually pinpoint to where it may be
Where's
coming
the power
from.
steering pump at?
Power steering pump is right there.
Let me see if I can get
I've noticed.
get out the way so I can shut up, man, so they can know what you're talking about.
I don't know which way to go. You got this.
All right, there it is, right there. Yeah, I got a good look at that.
You see the thing is kind of sort of on the dry side.
Can you point to the yeah, right there.
Right there.
All right, good. All right. Now we're looking down and turn the light to the top of the axle. And you can see it's a little wet, but not that bad, and especially a little wet right over there. But still not that bad. But coming down right here, that's where all our fluid is. Now we got a line here. I'm not sure if that's going to the rack or not, but it might be coming from there, or might be the rack and pinion, because there's a lot of fluid down. If he'd get the light out the way, sometimes this guy pissed me off, man. All right, so what we're gonna do? How about this, Billy Bob? How about we start it up? I turn the wheel, and you get from under there while I'm turning the wheel.
All right.
And maybe we can see it leaking from someplace.
All right.
All right, we'll be right back.
All right, you guys. We just chopped off the power steering. So now I'm gonna be down here with my light and see if I can find this leak when Tim turn the wheel. If you will, can you turn the wheel?
You want me to start it up?
Uh-huh.
That's what you said, turn the wheel. You didn't say start it up and turn the wheel.
Sometime today would be nice.
Huh?
Today would be nice. He got a nerve to pick on me and he's slow as molasses.
Yo.
Huh? Man. I can't even find no good help to save my life.
Yo, you telling me you still recording, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You gave me the key, right?
Yeah, I guess that's it.
All right. Now when I'm holding the brake, nothing to put the key in. And watch the message what I get when I go to start it.
No key.
So that's why I haven't been starting it.
Well,
Oh, hold on.
I'm glad you saw it. I sure will get ready to get you.
All right, that's what you mean, man. Okay, here we go. Go out, get the heck out of here.
Told you. Man, I don't see nothing. Turn the wheel. See that, you guys? It's coming from up top. So, what I'm gonna do now is come down here.
You saw something?
Yep.
From about the pump?
Yep. Oh, I think I see the problem. The high pressure sensor.
High pressure sensor?
Yep.
Look at that fluid leaking out of there. On the ground.
Yep, coming from that sensor.
The sensor?
Yep.
Now you saw? Did you see it while I was turning it?
I didn't see it until right about the time you getting out. All right, you guys.
Oh, no, man. I need you. Is it on film? I need to make sure it's on film that it's leaking.
It was coming straight down. I can see them film coming straight down.
They saw it. And they see it coming right from the sensor.
That's why I'm right here now. So I can make sure it's coming straight from there. I can see it dripping.
So you are 100% sure it's coming from the sensor?
Yep. Yep.
Huh. But why is that fluid way over there though?
Because the car is jacked up and it's leaning that way.
And where is it?
That sensor is right over the top of that power, right behind the power steering.
Alright.
Start it up again. I think it came out more when you held that wheel.
Yeah, it's gonna put some more pressure on it.
Mm-hmm. Man, what you standing there looking at me? Get out there.
I thought you said you got it on film already.
Start
Man, it better be on the first part.
Man, it's on there,
Billy
man.
Bob,
It's on there.
I'm telling you.
It's on there.
I will drop this car on you.
Well, I won't have to worry about no more bills.
You like the Wizard of Oz now.
Let it rain on me.
Huh?
A night like this, I wish. Boy. All right, you guys, we'll be right back.
All right, guys. Billy Bob said it's coming from the sensor.
And the hose.
Now you're saying the hose. And guys, y'all saw the video. Where is this coming from? Matter of fact, let me get up on it. Go start the car and hold the wheel. Shut up, man. Hold the wheel to the right, to the left. Let me get up under here.
I should have turned it right to the right. You in the car now.
Okay, what the heck is going on here? Let's get this light at an angle.
Ready?
Yeah. Holy cow. That ain't coming from no sensor. That's the high pressure. What hose is that? Yep, that's the high pressure power steering line, guys. Let me show you. Alright, we'll be right back.
All right, you guys. There you have it. That's how you diagnose a power steering leak. If you all have the same symptom or problem, you got to have another person with you to turn the wheel, fill it up, and you're going to run into the same
best way, guys,
thing.
hold that wheel all the way to the left or the right. That puts a lot of pressure on the system.
Yep. Now,
if you have any comments or questions,
I was just thinking about this Spider-Man. I got to get back in that truck. But yeah, if you have any comments or questions, put them in the comment section below. Or you can email Tim at Astro.
Tim! You said
Man.
Tim at Timmy. It's
Man.
Tim at Astro Auto Repairs.
You the same person.
But that's the wrong email address.
Well, email Tim at astroautorepairs.com.
.com.
This is Timmy and myself, the one and only Billy Bob. I'll go say the rest of it. Man, stop doing that, Tim. Stop doing that, man. The one and only, all right, Billy Bob. If we can't repair it, nobody can.